Alright, so we're going to continue on with the parts that you see here, and we're going to need this part again, followed by this section of the ship that goes right through here, like so. There we go. And then we have this part that I did sand down some nubs here. Actually, you know what? Before I remove that, before I put that on, let me want to make sure that there's no scar marks here. No, that's fine. That's good. And this one was that I was a bit worried about. There's a little bit there. Clearly, I mean, it's just a little bit, but the priming, it definitely will cover it up. Alright, so we put these two on like that. And that seals into place like so. And there's this little part here, which I was about to sand the little ends, but since you put them through here, you don't see them. So that's fine. That's cool. Flip it around and put this underside part here. Good. That's good. Let's put this to the side here. Now, we have these parts here, and the one part that I didn't realize we're going to assemble now is the vents. And I think we need this one here, because it has to be in a weird position. I think that goes like that. There are two yellow parts here. Strange. There we go. So that goes here. And that goes there. And then we do the other side. Alright, so that's done. Then we take, I believe this part, which has a little notch there, put this through like that. And then you seal it up like so. It snaps into place good, but I'm going to definitely have to glue this on. But wow, this thing is not going in. Oh, okay, you got to push it in a little bit further. There we go. There, I think I may have to hold it down with some clamps of some sort. Let's do this again on this side now. Make sure that's all the way in. Then close these up like that. And then you take this, you put that here. Take this, put that there. There. That's kind of neat. Okay. Next up, we have these parts here that goes like this, and one goes there. One goes here. That's nice. Very nice. Then we have a part here. Now, the instructions show two parts that goes here and here, and that's to cover this, but considering it's going to be on the base, I'm not going to do that. Alright, so I'm going to leave that alone. Now we're going to look. Oh, I forgot to put a couple of parts to remove. My bad. I thought I had it all separated in on this table. The A plate? Where's the A plate? Here it is. Oh, wait. Oh, that's right. I did take it out. It's just the angle looks weird. Alright, so we have this. We have this. That connects to that. Then these two. That connects to that as well. Then we have, I believe, alright, so we need that part, and this shiny part with the notch goes through there like so. Then we have this one, again with the notch going like that, like so. That's kind of cool. And then we repeat that. Hold on. Yeah. Ah, nope. Wrong way. There we go. Is that right? Looks like it is. Okay. Now we flip this around, and the sharp part of this goes in the back, like so. And then this one, the same thing. Depending on how my painting skills will be with this, if this is going to be in the way, and why isn't it not going through? There we go. I may end up popping it out and gluing them back on again, kind of like what I did with the Andromeda. I don't know about that. Alright, so this completes this entire section. Really nice. Let's try it. Let's go get the remaining parts. Alright, so the remaining parts that I have here are, I believe, the parts that make up the engine. So we take this and this, and I think we put them together like so. Don't know how much of the engine is exposed because I never bothered to look at it, but we do this, and then in this position, put this through here like so. Huh. And am I doing it right or wrong? Doing it wrong. It's this way. There we go. There we go. It fits into place like so. Then we have this that flips around and then snaps that into place like so. So it's nice and snug in there. Not digging this. Then we have this that goes there, and this that goes here. And then I take this guy and put it back here. Like that. Not liking how this is looking. Let's put the stand on this, but before we do that, we have these two parts that goes like this, and this one goes like that, Then we put that here and put that there. I think it goes in. There we go. And then finally, flip this about and align it right until everything supposedly falls into place. That goes there. That goes here. There we go. Alright. Let me position this camera appropriate so you guys can see this. Oh, we definitely need this. The bridge. Just going to put a little bit of pressure on it, that's all. Not too much. There you go. Whew. Alright. There you have it. The 1/1000 scale. Excuse me. The 1/1000, and I'm trying to find the picture. There we go. I had it here a minute ago. Sorry. The 1/1000 scale Nazca class assault strike carrier Kiska is assembled and complete. It's not bad. It's a good scale. It's not the size of the Andromeda. I don't even think it reaches the Yamato scale, but it looks good. I really like its overall design because when this model, I guess when they were designed in this way back in, and we're going to go far back, we're going to go back to the 70s, late 70s, early 80s, when they were designing this, they were designing based off the, like carrier designs from World War II. You know, like the carriers that was used in the first season of Yamato, those 3 carriers that were different colored carriers, the triple deck carriers, and it had those support pylons under it to give it that unique feel, that unique look from the when the Japanese had their ships, their carrier ships during World War II. Oh shit! This thing broke. Christ. Anyway, it is a nice looking kit, I have to admit. I again thanks to Gundam Planet for giving me this as a gift. I really appreciate it, and right now I'm just cutting some of the fighters to display it on this carrier. These little crab fighters. Apparently this carrier, and I'm sorry if I'm being, do a little pun here. I'll see you in a minute. There we go. Now it has crabs. Yeah. Funny. Very funny. I know. I haven't built the fighter yet, which is the larger scale version of it. I'll do that in a moment. But this is a really nice kit. I like it. I like the color. I like the design. It looks bland as it is, but obviously once I begin painting it, that will change. I just need to find a little missing part that fell over there. I need to glue some areas that doesn't have the areas exposed. The vents is going to be a bit of a pain. I may have to do a hand brushing, but let's see how far I go with that. I think this part of the ship looks weak. In some areas, ooh, they all fighters fell down. I'll leave that there. This area, I thought there would be more exposed areas, but it depends on how I'm going to paint this. Let's see how how I feel it out. I may ad hocly change the look to this to fit something a little bit more interesting. I don't know yet. I don't know, But it is what it is. A nice kit, nice build. But let's prepare it. Let me clean it up. Let me glue some areas, sand down some parts, and then begin priming so I can paint it.